At the bottom of each question page, you will see a Film tab and a Link tab. The Film tab, when you click on it, takes you through to some video worked through examples on each of the different skills that you've been asked to learn in that particular chapter and topic. By clicking Next, you can go through the different videos one by one and look through a worked example. Here we can see a video on expanding brackets.
Multiply each of the terms inside the bracket by the term outside the bracket. I multiply both terms in the bracket by 5, being very careful with the signs. X times 5 equals 5x, and minus 1 times 5 equals minus 5.
Each of the videos you can also read a transcript so you can be clear if there's anything that you're unsure on. Also on the bottom of the page is the Link tab. The Link tab, when you click on it, connects your school with the My Maths page. Try that again. The Link tab takes you through to the school's My Maths page where you can see an online lesson about each of the given topics, in this case simplifying. You can also access the online homeworks on simplifying as well. At the end of every chapter, you can see a summary of all the key learning points that have been studied during that block of work. This is particularly useful when you're revising for a chapter test or a formal assessment which covers a series of chapters. You can see all of the things that you need to know, along with all of the key language that's been studied in that particular chapter and some worked examples. On the second page there is a review page. The review page is designed to give you a few questions on a few different areas to prompt you on what the skills are that you require and to help you identify which elements you need to go back and revise. Again, there are links to videos which you can revisit. The questions in the assessments are based very closely on the application style questions that you can find worked through by clicking on the videos. Again, there is also another tab which takes you through to the My Maths pages for further online lessons and further study. It gives you an indication on how well you're doing by the number of questions that you got correct. If you don't get so many questions correct, it directs you to different My Maths topics that you can use the My Maths code when you're searching. And if you're doing well, you can look at the InvisiPen videos, which are the video tabs. Also involved in the book are some assessment questions which give you an example of what GCSE exam questions might look like, and it also indicates on the right hand side the number of marks that will be allocated for each of those questions. The best way to revise using the book is to go straight to the review questions and practice those. Use those to identify topics for improvement and make sure you watch both the skills videos and the application videos for each topic so you're clear with what you need to do and the types of question that you might come up against in your assessments.